China is set to begin large-scale manufacturing of humanoid robots by 2025. A recent video by AGI Bot, a robotics firm from Shanghai, showcased rapid advancements in this area. A GI bot creates humanoid robots designed for both home and industrial use. The company has recently accelerated its production plans to aim for a top spot in the global market for humanoid robots. They are now focusing on increasing their production speed and volume. In the video, we see how AGI Bot is putting together the robots, making sure every single part works just right. They aim to build so many robots that our future could look completely different. What's really interesting is that some robots are already helping out and making more robots in their factory. This setup means robots are building robots, speeding up the whole process and making it more efficient. During a demonstration, you can see robots handling module assembly. Here, they check if the actuators, which are crucial parts that help the robots move, are functioning correctly. AGI Bot plans to create so many robots that it's hard to even picture what our future will be like. Some robots are also lending a hand in this process in the factories. It's like a team effort between humans and robots, making the production faster each time. The more robots they have, the more tasks they can complete. And the more they complete, the more robots they can produce, creating a cycle that keeps growing. They have established a substantial testing facility specifically dedicated to examining these actuators. The purpose of this facility is to rigorously test the robots, ensuring they can manage heavy duties and operate efficiently across various environmental conditions. Given that these robots are designed for longevity, it's critical to subject them to various stress tests and scenarios to confirm their durability and readiness for real-world applications. The testing process is thorough, aimed at certifying that these robots are equipped to function in tough and harsh environments. It's not just about humanoid robots. The company is developing a range of robotic models to address different needs. For example, the A2D model, which is often seen in the main assembly line, features wheels at its base, suggesting its utility in more mobile applications. The diversity in robot design indicates that these machines are intended for a wide array of tasks, promising a level of versatility that might surprise many. In the final stages of testing, the scene is reminiscent of something out of a science fiction film like Terminator. However, this scenario is very much a reality at the company's Gigafactory, where the production scale of these robots is visibly massive. One of the standout aspects of their development process is the extensive data collection undertaken. This data is vital as it enables the robots to adapt to varied environments and perform tasks with high precision, ensuring that each robot can handle the demands of different settings effectively. This commitment to innovation and quality showcases the company's push to redefine the boundaries of what robots can achieve in everyday and industrial settings. They've set up special environments called SL environments that mimic the actual conditions these robots will face when they're used in homes. Every home is unique, with differences in size, lighting, and other specific characteristics. These variations are crucial for the robots to understand and adapt to, which is why the company is collecting a vast amount of data. This includes real-world data as well as synthetic data. Combining these sources allows them to train the robots to handle a multitude of scenarios with great accuracy. Through meticulous fine-tuning, they are crafting an extremely efficient system, enabling these robots to excel at their designated tasks. The AIDA platform is central to this process, facilitating the scale-up of production to over 1 million robots. The prospect of these robots operating in actual home settings once fully deployed is quite thrilling. Observing how these robots will function in real-world scenarios is eagerly anticipated. The tasks they are engineered for seem to be performed with ease and finesse, highlighting the progress in robotic technology. Given that 2025 is the year China aims to make significant strides in robotics, it wouldn't be surprising if these robots become as ubiquitous and essential as smartphones are in households today. AGI Bot is not alone in its quest to revolutionize the field of humanoid robots. Several other Chinese companies are also pushing the boundaries of robotics, contributing to the nation's goal of becoming a global leader in this technology. One standout is Xang Robots, a branch of the Chinese electric vehicle maker Xang. Xang Robots specializes in creating intelligent bionic robots, aiming to push the limits of what humanoid robots can do. This collective effort underscores China's dedication to advancing robotics on a grand scale, heralding a new era in technology. Since its establishment in 2016 in Shenzhen, China, Xang Robots has rapidly emerged as a key player in the robotics industry. Their initial demonstration was so sophisticated that many viewers doubted its authenticity, suspecting CGI manipulation. However, subsequent demonstrations and videos confirmed the reality of these advanced machines. The capability of these robots to perform tasks previously deemed unattainable for robots shows the tremendous progress in robotics within a relatively short period. It's remarkable to witness these machines handling complex tasks, illustrating the strides made in robotic technology. For those who doubt the capability of humanoid robots to manage complex tasks, Xang Robots offers a compelling rebuttal. The company has demonstrated that their robots can excel across various sectors, breaking away from traditional constraints. One standout demonstration featured a humanoid robot actively participating in factory operations. In this demo, the robot displayed an impressive ability to handle multiple tasks with exceptional precision. It adeptly grabbed and analyzed objects and collaborated effortlessly with human colleagues. The lifelike efficiency of the robot underscored its potential to revolutionize industries by performing complex tasks with speed, accuracy, and reliability. The capacity of these robots to work effectively alongside human teams has left many observers astonished. While humanoid robots are not yet a common feature in our everyday lives, their integration into factory settings is subtly transforming industrial operations. In China, a quiet revolution is taking place. Humanoid robots are emerging as vital assets for enhancing market efficiency, particularly for businesses aiming to expand operations that require significant physical labor. These robots are not merely replacing human workers. They are introducing unprecedented levels of precision and consistency that were once considered impossible. We are currently witnessing an incredible pace of advancement in the field of humanoid robotics. The rapid progression in both the speed of innovation and the complexity of these robots is truly astounding. The automotive industry, in particular, is keenly adopting humanoid robots. This sector has always been a pioneer in automation, and with the advent of humanoid robots, it is poised to push this trend even further. By 2030, it is entirely conceivable that we could see car factories becoming fully automated, with operations largely handled by humanoid robots. These advanced manufacturing environments would operate with minimal human intervention, primarily needing human staff for managing and fine-tuning robot performance. This evolution could revolutionize industrial practices, establishing unprecedented standards for efficiency and productivity. The advanced vision systems and AI capabilities of these robots allow them to execute tasks with remarkable precision, aligning perfectly with the rigorous demands of contemporary industries. Equipped to manage everything from intricate assembly processes to meticulous quality control, humanoid robots are set to dramatically expand the scope of automation across various sectors. Their integration promises not only to enhance productivity, but also to redefine the very fabric of industry workflows, signaling a major leap forward in how we approach manufacturing and beyond. Humanoid robots have transitioned from futuristic concepts to practical tools actively transforming industries today. Their ability to adapt, learn, and function in varied environments is opening up opportunities that were once considered out of reach. In China, the push to become a leader in the humanoid robotics industry is clearly visible through the swift advancements of companies like Xang Robots and AGI Bot. Their progress is not only setting new standards for the industry, but also paving the way for a future where humanoid robots are integral to the global economy. In this new industrial landscape, a few skilled orchestrators manage the robots, ensuring that they operate efficiently and execute tasks effectively. These robots are equipped with advanced vision systems that enable them to perform highly specific tasks with incredible precision. This development marks a substantial leap into a futuristic era where humanoid robots are poised to become a vital part of our daily lives and a driving force in economic growth. The significant investment in this technology is evident as the company has already secured over 7 billion yuan in funding, with substantial support from industry heavyweights like BYD and Huawei. This strong backing underscores the serious attention humanoid robots are garnering worldwide. Despite the enthusiasm, there remain scientific and technical challenges to overcome before these robots can fully realize their potential. Nevertheless, the progress to date is promising and points towards an exciting future for humanoid robotics, suggesting their profound impact on society and the economy is just beginning to unfold. The progress in humanoid robotics is incredibly promising, pointing to an exciting future. As companies work through technical details, it's likely we'll see more begin mass producing these robots. This field is definitely one to watch. As AI advances and merges with robotics, technologies like the Figure Robot and 1X Neo demonstrate the significant strides already made. The pace at which China scales its robotics efforts will be crucial, with robot workforces expanding each year, reshaping industries and daily life. What are your thoughts on this technological future? It's an exciting era, and we're just getting started. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next one.